If you're just signing up for your Hostinger plan and you're looking for a coupon code, then you've clicked on the right video. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to get the highest discount possible for your Hostinger plan using a coupon code. So the first step is to scroll down and click on the first link in the video description. This will take you to my partner page with Hostinger, which is going to make sure that you'll get the best deal. Once here, scroll down and you'll see the web hosting plans. If you're looking for the cloud hosting or VPS hosting plans, you can find those up here. In this video, I'm going to choose the business web hosting plan. On the next page, you'll need to choose your billing cycle. You'll get the highest discount possible by choosing the 48 months option. To create your account, type in your email address and choose a password. Then scroll down and click on Have a Coupon Code. Type in Medix Media. You'll also find this coupon code in the video description below. Now you've applied the maximum discount possible for your Hostinger plan, so you can submit your payment details and start your plan.